Dear friends, partners, and donors, warm greetings from Watoto Wenye Nguvu. As we come to the close of this year, I would like to sincerely thank you for walking this journey with us. Your support has touched lives, strengthened families, and transformed communities in Goliba Ward and beyond. At Kustawi Village, our mother and child rehabilitation program continued to be a place of hope. This year, we provided safe shelter, psychosocial support, healthcare, nutrition, and positive parenting guidance for the rescued mothers and children in distress. The program has been embraced by every stakeholder as the viable option for proposed government reforms. More than 160 mothers for this year gotten much more needed rehabilitation and their lives changed forever. One powerful example is Jane. Jane was rescued while deeply depressed with 1 day old baby in her arms. At the time, her other children were living on the streets. Through Kustawi's support, we traced her children, united the family, and restored hope. The school-going children were enrolled in school, while the younger ones were placed in daycares. Jane received medical treatment, counseling, care, and skills training in food and beverage production, and she's now an expert in making of chapati. She later joined food and beverage training and through structured independent support was successfully reintegrated. Today, Jane runs her own food eatery in Nairobi. She is now able to pay school fees for her children and rent for her house. This is the power of rehabilitation, not charity, but restored dignity and independence. We started Goriba Ward Comprehensive Rehabilitation Program with the community and through shifting the power to the community and ensuring the community is in the center of finding the solution to their own problems has been the inspiration pillar towards this project. In the last 3 months, the CBO surpassed our expectations despite the teething problems in its initial formation. We collaborated in the implementation of their tailored solution to the community problems. For the thematic area PWDs, that is, people living with disability, we strengthened inclusive care for persons with disability. Through therapy and rehabilitation support, children and adults improved mobility, confidence, and participation in community life. We did weekly physiotherapy sessions in the community for more than 24 people living with disability, and the training for caregivers on home-based psychotherapy session is in the advanced stage. Disability is not inability when communities invest in care and inclusion. In sustainability also, we continued to remain central to our work. We conducted permaculture training that brought together 60 trainer of trainers from the community. The training focused on sustainable farming, food security for future, soil regeneration, and environmental conservation. These community champions will continue spreading these skills across their village. Economic empowerment, we supported 100 members of self-help groups in the Goriba ward with 10 chicks, improved kienyeji chickens each in every household. And this is targeted to improve food security and economic empowerment to the community. We also refunded micro savings to 2 community groups that successfully completed their saving cycles with us. They will be now saving with Goliba Ward. This milestone reflects discipline, growth, and a journey towards self-reliance. We continued to work closely with community leaders, government officials, and partners. Through stakeholders meetings, we strengthened collaboration and promoted community-led development.
Of funding, apart from other well-wishers who are supporting the institution?
In the school feeding program, education remained a priority. Through our school feeding, children accessed nutritious meals, improved school attendance, retention in school, concentration, and overall well-being. We were able to feed 5,000 plates every day for the whole of that year. In the elderly and social welfare, we reached over 300 elderly and sick people of our community who are aged over 70 years and above. We supported them with food packages, and also we supported them with SHA registration for medical support. This brought joy, dignity, and reassurance that they are valued and remembered. We did this to make sure that nobody is left behind during the community empowerment programs.
Together with the Koliba Ward thematic area of education, we were able to host more than 500 learners in grade 9 going to grade 10 and Form 3 going to Form 4 who were taken through the new curriculum career pathways. They were advised on how to make best choices based on their performance and the area of interest and strength.
During our year, we were also able to reinstate the water program in Watoto Wenye Nguvu.
The water from this pump will be able to sustain our farming activities in Kusitawi. We shall be able to do crop farming, fruits farming, rare fish, and sustain farming activities in our institution. These, together with the other community water supply, we shall be able to sustain water supply, ensuring there is food security and enough water for consumption and the other domestic activities.
With the support of Rotary, we are able to get cows, chicken, and with the cows, we are able to provide biogas, which is very essential in cooking, and also the bio-sirare is good for our plants, and therefore we remain an organic institution because we use organic manure to grow our crops. We use biogas in some of our houses, and we use direct milk from our cows. Thank you, all of you.
2, 1, tunaanza hapa.
Tata tutaritara tware dine tuotoreda. Tata tutaritara tware dine tuotoreda. Tata tutaritara tware dine tuotoreda.
Msiende mahali. Simameni hapa. Simameni hapa. Kuna mahali. Kuna mahali Josh aliharibu na sisi
To our donors and partners, thank you. Your support makes stories like Jane's possible. Your support makes stories like the water project and the livestock possible. As we enter the new year, we remain committed to restoring dignity, strengthening families, and building resilience to the communities. For all of us, Watoto Wenye Nguvu, we wish you a happy new year filled with peace, good health, and continued partnership. Thank you.